your March and April Discovery Bundle unboxing. If we haven't met before, I'm Jessica Principe, founder and creator of All Girl Shave Club, and I'm so happy that you're here. Spring is finally here, or almost here, depending on when you're watching this video, and this month's Discovery Bundle is extra fun because we've intentionally curated items with really vibrant, juicy scents in an effort to hit all the right spring notes for this new season. This month's theme is Glow Getter, which is all about sharing your light with the world as you ambitiously take on each day. Sometimes we all need a little extra push to get us going, and that's exactly what the products inside of this bundle will do for you. First up, let's get started with this month's Say It, Live It, Be It collectible affirmation card. We include a different affirmation in each bundle, each cycle, designed to be a collectible keepsake for you to refer back to as you continue to practice your affirmations each month. This month's affirmation is, I am capable and confident. If you're new to affirmations, they're positive statements that challenge negative thoughts and beliefs, and when they're practiced regularly, they can really change any negative thought patterns that you hold about yourself or your life. And changing these negative thought patterns can result in higher self-esteem, more confidence, and overall more positivity and happiness. And who doesn't want that, right? If you want to learn more about affirmations and how they work, comment below and I'd be happy to share my favorite resources with you. It's kind of one of my favorite things. Okay, so use your affirmation card by repeating the affirmation daily in the mirror and really believing the statement to be true. So put some feeling behind it. It might feel awkward at first, but after some time and repeated practice, you'll be amazed at how you feel. On the right-hand side of your insert card is your self-care challenge checklist. These checklist items are designed for you to find easy and fun ways to incorporate self-care into your Glow Getter life. So with this month's theme being Glow Getter, we've included all of the essentials you'll need to glow this month. First up, no matter what's going on in my life, if it's a crazy full day of errands out or just bumming around at home with my family, the one beauty essential that I absolutely must have is mascara. I don't wear makeup every day, but even on days that I don't, I always swipe on a little mascara to give my eyes a lift, and especially now while we're all wearing face masks in public, I don't feel like I need to wear face makeup when I go out, but I really do love always having on a good mascara. So I wanted to include this mascara, let's see right here, this mascara from INT Cosmetics because it is so lengthening. It lengthens lashes beautifully and it's super long lasting. In fact, don't judge me, but I don't always wash my face makeup off before I go to bed. And the first day that I was testing this mascara, I put it on and I wore it all day, went to bed, and woke up the next morning and it was still on, looking nice. My lashes were super long, it hadn't flaked. It's pretty amazing. Here's a photo to show you the morning after, so literally 24 hours of wear. Pretty good, right? Anyway, I love this mascara. You received the color Pitch Black, and the other great thing about INT is that it's not tested on animals. We love our furry friends, of course. So INT mascara in Pitch Black. Next up is a bright and happy pouch of skin polish by Beauty Kitchen. We selected the scent Tropical Smoothie to help inspire those island vibes. Your skin will glow as it polishes off dulling dead skin cells and add essential oils to help replenish moisture balance and really fortify your skin. So to use it, you're just gonna scoop out a small amount and then massage it into your skin during the bath or shower. But the other thing that you can do is you can use it as a dry scrub, so applying it to dry skin and then rinsing it off after you're finished. I really love that it comes in a resealable travel pouch, so it's friendly for the shower, friendly for travel, and it's also small batch made right here in the USA. I also love this company because it's female owned as well, and I just love supporting other female founded companies. So not only will your skin glow, but you can glow from the inside too, knowing that you supported another sister in business. Yay! Next, you can glow and glam in your new acrylic clips. Aren't these the prettiest things? We have this 4-pack custom made with a variety of our favorite styles. You've got the light pink flecks down here on the bottom, the light blue and pink marble, the tortoise shell, and then these tiny pearls, which are so cute and what I'm wearing today. There are so many easy ways that you can use these clips to spruce up your everyday look. Head over to the All Girl Shave Club Instagram page and watch the reel I made that shows you 3 easy ways to use your new clips. You can see I'm wearing one of the clips in my hair today too. This is the little pearl snap clip, and I love this because it was super easy. I just pulled my hair back, stuck the clip in, added a little hairspray to keep it in place, and this is a great look. You can just wear it with a t-shirt and leggings to add a little bit of glam to your everyday look, or add a pair of pearl earrings and a sweater and you're good to go for a date night. So they're super versatile and just lots of fun. Be sure to check out my reel on Instagram where I show you 3 other easy ways you can incorporate these clips into your everyday look. The other little tip I wanted to share with you is when you're wearing the clip kind, this kind, not necessarily the pearl kind, but the kind that has the clip here, you want to make sure that when you're putting it in your hair, if you're putting it in the front of your hair, that you put it going towards your face so that the back of your clip goes towards the back of your head. That just makes it lay flatter and look cuter than if you put it in with the back facing forward. You see the difference? So that's one of my tips, but make sure you check out the reel for the other 3 ways to wear your clips. I can't wait to see how you style them, so please tag me in your photos at All Girls Shave Club so that I can share them with other members too for inspiration. Lastly, glow in delight with this month's limited edition scent of shave butter, which is Pear Goddess. Yes, it is one of our favorite scents from a few years ago, and we thought it would be fun to bring it back for a few months. It's just this really crisp blend of pears and berries mixed with a touch of mango. And it's been referred to as a spring sensation in a jar by one of our sweet customers, so I had to share that with you. If you didn't opt for the Surprise Me option this month and you didn't get Pear Goddess, but you still want to try it, you can order it in our shop. I'll make sure that I link it below this video. You can order it through the end of June. And if you did receive it and you just love it and you want to stock up, now is the time to do that, as it will be discontinued at the end of June. My team will also be sending you some fun goodies by email over the next few weeks. These things are intended to support your Discovery Bundle this cycle, so just keep your eye out on your inbox for those. If you have a favorite product from this month's bundle, I'd love, love, love to hear about it. Snap a photo and tag me at All Girls Shave Club on Facebook or Instagram and use the hashtag AGSCshare so I can see it. You'll also be entered to win free products by sharing on social media, and we pick a winner every month, so definitely make sure that you share. As always, I want to thank you for being a member of All Girls Shave Club. I hope you feel joy when using all of the essentials that we sent you to be a glow getter this month. Next cycle's theme is Summer Lovin', and I am dying to show you a sneak peek, but I can't. So stay tuned. The sneak peek will be hitting your inbox about a week before your next renewal, but I can tell you that there's an item in the bundle that might be my favorite of all time. Can you tell I'm excited? I hope you're excited too. In the meantime, if there is anything we can do for you, feel free to reach out to our friendly customer service team at hello@allgirlshaveclub.com. See you next time.